Hello everyone, कैसे हो तुम लोग? Today's video is about a mic that I've been using for a very long time. Maono AU-A04. Let's quickly do the unboxing. We have a beautiful box colored with black and yellow, and when you open it, we are greeted with a small card and a user manual. And here we have a wind foam that will be placed on the mic, and we have a very sturdy pop filter. Here we have a mic holder, and this is a table clamp that you can use to attach the mic to the table. This is the cable that we can use to connect to the PC. This is the main stand. It's quite sturdy. And finally, we have the microphone. The build quality looks very premium. Let's close the box and look at the overall content. Alright, the mic test. Now you're hearing a sample from my headphones inbuilt mic. Now before you judge my voice, let me tell you where I am sitting. I'm sitting next to a window and my CPU is completely fired up. And on top of that, my mom is working in the kitchen and my dad is speaking on the phone. Now based on this, you should have an idea of the kind of noise that you can hear. Let me go a little technical. This is an unedited audio and clearly you can hear the background noise. But not just that. On top of that, you can hear that my voice is not clear. It sounds a little muffled. There is no depth in the sound. There is a little reverb, and not to mention that there is a very eminent distortion. Now please remember the sound that you heard, because next I will be playing a sample from the Maono mic. Here is the unedited sample from the Maono mic. I'm speaking closely to the mic. I don't want to move far somewhere like this, where I'm currently a little far from the mic. So when you're far from the mic, there is a little more chance of the ambient noise peeping in. Now let me slowly go towards the left. Now I'm talking from the left side of the mic where there's no pop filter, and let me slowly switch back towards the right. Now as these are purely unedited sequence, you can expect a very little noise. But to be honest, right now in the room, as you could hear from the other sample which was taken from my headphone, there's a lot of things happening. There's a pressure cooker running in the background. My dad is speaking on the phone. My CPU is completely fired up. And not to mention, I sit next to the window. So I hope this gives you a clear picture of what is the sound output that you get. Alright, it's the verdict time. Maono AU-A04 is a great beginner's mic. Yes, beginner's mic. I would suggest this mic for somebody who wants to stream a game casually, or someone who wants to start a podcast, but this is not for somebody who is an audiophile who wants studio quality sound. Please do note one thing. Currently in Amazon the price is close to 7K, and at that price this mic is not worth it. At that price you can easily find Blue Snowball, which seems to be a much better alternative. That's it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Love you all. Stay safe and stay happy.